This condition makes the arteries narrower and diminishes the blood flow to the heart and other parts of the body. Unfortunately, atherosclerosis is one of the major reasons for heart illness, and it's actually the underlying cause for around 50% of deaths in the West. A lot of people praise certain herbs and spices for their ability to encourage the cleansing of the arteries and to reduce clogging. If you also want to support your arterial health, adding these herbs and spices to your diet may help. Herbs and spices both come from plants, but herbs are acquired from the fresh part of the plant, whereas spices are from the dry and root part of the plants. Garlic. Praise for adding a unique flavor to meals. Garlic will also boost your cardiovascular health. It's one of the most popular natural remedies for so many different health issues, from fighting off a common cold to reducing hypertension. Moreover, it can be of aid for reducing bad cholesterol and swelling, and thus lower your risk of strokes and heart attacks. Cinnamon. This yummy spice is amazing when added to your favorite oatmeal breakfast or lovely desserts. It's been part of our cuisines for thousands of years and is praised for multiple health benefits, one of which is the capacity to reduce the levels of bad cholesterol and blood pressure. Turmeric. This yellow spice is one of the most popular ones in Indian cuisine, but also growing in popularity in the West too. Curcumin is a compound that gives its yellow color. It's praised for its ability to help decrease inflammation, reduce blood clots, and decrease bad cholesterol. Coriander. This herb is commonly used in so many different dishes worldwide. Interestingly, populations that consume it a lot also have some of the lowest rates of cardiovascular illness. In the US, we also know it as cilantro. They're not one and the same, but they come from the same plant. It's praised for reducing the heart disease factors like bad cholesterol and hypertension. Its diuretic properties help us remove surplus fluids and sodium from the body and balance the blood pressure. Ginger. Whether it's a baked good, tea, or a salad, enriching it with ginger is always a good idea, and you'll also do your health a favor. Studies indicate that regular consumption of ginger is beneficial for blood pressure, cholesterol, and the arteries. It actually helps avert their hardening and may therefore be useful for the prevention and treatment of heart-related diseases. Cayenne. Add some spicy heat to your meals with cayenne pepper. Moreover, it will also boost your blood flow, and thanks to its capsaicin, it will help you decrease high blood pressure. Better blood flow and lower blood pressure equal a healthier cardiovascular system. Parsley. Supercharge your meals with this herb, and please, don't hold back. It's loaded with vitamin C and B12, and it will help you better the arterial blood flow. Moreover, parsley is abundant in micronutrients that will lower your risk of atherosclerosis and other heart problems. Thanks to its nitrates, parsley will naturally dilate your arteries and boost the passage of the blood.